What is up, party people? Welcome to Denver, Colorado! The capital city of Colorado, Denver dates back to the gold rush of the Old West. And the oldest standing buildings date back to the 1800s. Since 2010, Denver has been one of the fastest growing states in the US. And in 2016 was rated the best place to live in the US according to US News and World Report. Here we play the Denver Center for the Performing Arts. Founded in 1972, this theater is the largest tenant of the Denver Performing Arts Complex, which is a 4-block, 12-acre site containing 10 performance spaces with over 10,000 seats in total. In this amazing facility, we played the largest theater, the Buell Theater, which seats 2,880 theatergoers. We performed 5 shows over the course of 3 days here, and we had a little time to explore between shows. Not a lot, but we did explore a little. If you're into Greasy Spoon diners, you've got to check out Sam's No. 3. Apparently, it's arguably one of the best diners in the US. Who knew? If you're a vegetarian, or at least have an open mind about eating a meal that doesn't contain meat, you've got to check out City O City. I'm not a vegetarian, but I absolutely loved everything I ate there. I can certainly see why so many people are moving to Denver. It is by far one of the coolest cities I have ever been to. Next stop, Grand Forks, North Dakota. But not before we take a week off. And for my week off, I'm headed to Hawaii to spend some time with my brother and my maternal family, and to celebrate my Gramps' 85th birthday by going skydiving. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams, and cheers.